नाज़रीन, इस वक्त हम यहाँ इम्पैक्ट ग्लोबल लीडरशिप अवार्ड 24 में मौजूद हैं। यहाँ पे नौशीन मुख्तार साहब हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं। ये एक बहुत ज़बरदस्त एंटरप्रेन्योर भी हैं और इवन ऑर्गेनाइज़र भी हैं। आज हमारे साथ हक़ाइक़ न्यूज़ पे हैं। आइए हम इनसे गुफ्तगू करते हैं और जानते हैं कि ये जो इम्पैक्ट इन्होंने डाला आज के इवेंट के अंदर, वो उसका क्या आइडिया था यहाँ। वेलकम टू हक़ाइक़ न्यूज़ से।
थैंक यू सो मच। जो है ये इम्पैक्ट लीडरशिप प्रोग्राम का हिस्सा है, जिसमें दुनिया से डिफरेंट लीडर्स, स्पेसिफिकली इंडस्ट्री लीडर्स और थॉट लीडर्स, दे जॉइन अस टू क्रिएट एन इम्पैक्ट, जिसमें हम चाहते हैं कि हम अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ क्रिएट करें ऐसे लोगों के लिए जो अभी अपना बिजनेस शुरू कर रहे हैं या अपना करियर शुरू कर रहे हैं या वो लीडरशिप में आना चाहते हैं, which means that they are already managers and senior executives, but they do not know how to be effective leaders. So this program works on that, and to work on that, we collect various industry leaders in specific, जिसमें हमारे पास 200 से ज़्यादा industries हैं, and we have specialists there who are a part of the entire process. आपने आज देखा वो सब हमारे साथ थे, and we had the program. So we are on a mission to make this world a more positive place to live in, that is loaded with prosperity and happiness for everyone, and the entire purpose is to make that possible. ये हमारी एक्टिविटीज़ उसी चीज़ के लिए 18 डिफरेंट कंट्रीज से लोग आए थे दुबई में इस प्रोग्राम को अटेंड करने के लिए, और डेफिनेटली उनका पर्पस यही था कि न सिर्फ वो अवार्ड्स रिसीव करें, बल्कि दूसरे लीडर्स के साथ मिलकर नए प्रोजेक्ट्स इनिशिएट करें to create the impact that we aim to create. You are one of the pioneers in news, so I'm very grateful to have you with us, और आपका बहुत-बहुत शुक्रिया हमारे साथ इस प्रोग्राम को ज्वाइन करने।
My name is Dr. Adit Dalal. I'm from Austin, Texas, and today I received the honor of the Inspirational Thought Leader. So it was a very big honor, and this is one of my 7th award in the last 10 years. So I'm truly honored, and I spoke on a very important topic of stress and how it impacts the human life, and how it will impact the future generations. And I showed them a lot of different tools of how to overcome it and how to live a legacy driven life.
बहुत खुशी है कि इतने अरसे से हमारी कंपनी 70 ईयर्स से दुबई में है, यूएई में है, और जब अवार्ड मिलता है तो एक आदमी से इंस्पायर रहता है और भी मेहनत करता है और भी नई चीज़ें लाता है। और इस अवार्ड के बारे में यही कहूँगा कि काफ़ी इम्पैक्ट है इस अवार्ड का, और ये हमको रिकॉग्नाइज़ किया गया है। इससे हमारी और हिम्मत बढ़ती है और नई चीज़ें लाएँ और नए प्रोडक्ट बनाएं और ऊपर और ज़्यादा अवार्ड मिले। हो सकता है कि किसी दिन हमको यूएई गवर्नमेंट बुला के सामने से हमको अवार्ड दे। हमारी यही इच्छा है, यही हमारी तमन्ना है। इसी तरह हमें अवार्ड
अच्छा लगा, बहुत एंजॉय किया हम लोगों ने, काफ़ी अच्छा लगा। म्यूज़िक भी काफ़ी अच्छा था, खाना पीना भी बहुत अच्छा था। आई थिंक सो फार अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वेरी नाइस इवेंट। हम लोगों का परफ्यूम्स का काम है, और हम लोग काफ़ी परफ्यूम्स में, इनोवेशंस में हम लोग काफ़ी अपना काम में फोकस्ड हैं। और हमारा बेसिकली कंपनी है 1954 से। वी आर वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट दुबई कंपनीज इन दुबई जो परफ्यूम्स में ही शुरुआत की थी हमने यहाँ पर। और आज अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हम लोग जो काम कर रहे हैं परफ्यूम्स के हवाले, और काफ़ी हम लोगों ने अपने ख़ुद के परफ्यूम्स काफ़ी इनोवेट किए हैं, जो काफ़ी इट इज़ नोन, एंड वी आर नोन एज अ ब्रांड इन दुबई, बोर्न इन दुबई एक्चुअली। तो इसमें हम लोगों का फोकस रहा है काफ़ी अरसों से। इट वाज स्टार्टेड बाय माय फादर शेख मोहम्मद से, जो काफ़ी अरसा उन्होंने काफ़ी मेहनत करी इस कंपनी को स्क्रैच से काफ़ी ऊपर लेकर आए। आज अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आज हम लोग 3rd जनरेशन है, माय चिल्ड्रन आर द 4th जनरेशन बाय द वे। तो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता करके इस कंपनी को हम लोग ऊपर भी लेकर आ रहे हैं।
I got the award for most inspiring author because last October I published my book, I Speak Globish, and I am so proud of this book because it became a bestseller in just 12 hours after its publication. This book helps people to learn how to speak English, and it's written in Italian because I am an Italian coach teaching Italians how to become fluent in English.
दुबई में मेरा ये पहला विज़िट है और मुझे नौशीन मैडम ने यहाँ पे इनवाइट किया था. That's cool, wonderful event, and we have started approx 42 countries as well. Still, this is the 43, and we are helping the business owners, entrepreneurs to establish their business from one nation to another nations, and that's thing we are doing. Good.
So I received an award for Best Artist in Performing Arts, which has been really exciting. So in New York, I do acting, I do modeling, and then I also work as a psychiatric registered nurse. And so I received the award for the acting, and then I'm also in a lot of international magazines. So I think that's why they gave the Impact Award has been amazing. It's been wonderful to be able to meet with all of the other leaders from around the world and to meet with people that are so accomplished in all of the different areas and sectors, to have them all represented here. And so that's been really exciting.
Had a very unique leadership journey. I started my career as a forensic psychologist. I worked inside prisons. I was the first youngest Asian female Muslim Pakistani to become a prison governor in British history. And so for a living, I've been in prisons for the better part of my adult life. And then I moved into central government and helped the ministers and prime ministers, acting as an advisor. And then what I did was 4 years ago, I started my own business because what I wanted to do was to enable and empower young girls and women coming up behind me. So that's what I do today. So I am all about female leadership, helping organizations to increase the number of women into leadership. My future plan is to go global. My work isn't done. I believe my work is my calling. It's my life purpose. And I also believe that God's given me this wonderful privilege, a wonderful gift that I need to share with all the young girls and all the women who think that they cannot do these things. And I want them to listen to my story, be inspired by it, be empowered by it, and actually think that, you know, if I can, they can.
It's any type of event that includes assessment. It is challenging yourself, yourself with the best people in order to develop yourself, in order to test your company's abilities, in order to test your personal abilities. You have to join such as this honored award. That is for to test your ability, and if you won, of course, you are one of the top. Test them, and also to bring them into some other challenges. If they win, then they raise the bar in order to get bigger challenges, and then you go the level up and the level up. We always say, test yourself with competitors. So if you test yourself with the best people, even though that if you did not win, but you're still on the top best. So let's hope all the best for the winners, and let's hope to see the next year award, inshallah, and you can see more competition and more applicants, inshallah. Is really just a leader woman, that she set she sets an example for all ladies. If one person or a lady can succeed like her, then all ladies can succeed. All the best for the women and also the men.
Global Leadership Award 2024, and given me an opportunity to host as well as make me an awardee of this event. I received an award of Program Facilitator, and I'm really glad that you recognized and identified my talent and gave me a chance to host this lovely event. This night was the night of rewards and recognition, and some keynote speakers. They were all here, and we could hear their inspiring stories and their journey. So this was a gala night, I would call it, and people had a great time. They had networking as well at the end of the event, and yes, we'll see you next time. Thanks.
An extraordinary event, meeting and networking, which we can meet brilliant and wonderful leaders in different sectors from all over the world. It's very famous, and it is also having more leaders here. So it's very nice. Dr. Nousheen, she is very nice one. She is my friend, and as usual, she is inviting me for the event, but this event is totally different. So really, I appreciate her too much.
Thank you.
And as usual, thank you for her guidance, support, her genuine, positive spirit. thank you for everything she did for us. It's to be a good start to be with Haqaiq News. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure.